Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. As you know, or that I'm making a video on introduction to programming with MATLAB. I'm in this series. I'm solving the problem, assignment problem of this course, which is on Coursera. So till now I've solved week 7 of third assignment. I'll be solving today. In this video I'm solving the lesson 6 wrap up. So let me open it in the new tab. So it has been opening here. So let me open it. So let's open it. Maximum sum. So write a function called maxsum that takes v, a vector of numbers, and n, a positive integer, as input. Okay. The function needs to find the n consecutive elements of v. So let me. I think two things it returns. Let me write this in. Let me write a function. If you don't have a MATLAB installed in your PC, so I have made a video how to run MATLAB online. You can check it out, that video as well. I'll put the link in the description below. So let me write the function. 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 It returns two value, sum, comma, index. Okay, is equal to, what is the name of function? Sum and index, and function name is maximum sum. It takes to input. Maximum sum it takes to input v, comma, n. Okay. Now let's read the question properly. The function is to have the n consecutive elements of v whose sum is largest possible. Okay, up to largest possible consecutive. If v is itna, then and n is 3, then this will 4, 5, 4, 5 or 5. Okay, 13. First one. Okay, index. Sum or index we both have to return. So let me write this code. So a comma b. Let me first take the size of this vector v. Size v, it will return the row and column of this vector. Row will be a and column will be b. Okay, so summa is equal to, let me say, minus infinity. Okay, now summa is minus infinity. Now let me, if n, what is n? N, this one, n is greater than the vector, the row, then will be summa will be 0 and end it. If n, the if this is a vector, if n is greater than the out of the range, then the sum should be 0. Yeah, I have written that condition only. Now let me start from index I. I'll put to -1. After that 4j equal to, it will start from 1 and it will go all the way the these row, column of element, and then minus the given number plus 1. Okay, I'll start for loop. Then let me put some summation here. If summation is equal to sum, which is first sum will be minus infinity, because I put it because there might be some which first number is always greater than the previous, so might be there minus 3. So I'll put the minimum number to sum. So let me first check it here. Some vector of I plus n minus 1. I plus n minus 1 means after 3. If we are here, then first 3. If I am at this index, then for this 3. If n is 3, do you understand? So I'm writing this condition only, plus n minus 1. Now let me check if s is greater than summa, then what will be? Summa is equal to s, obviously, and index will be obviously I. Now let me end this Give me this for loop as well in the function as well. I hope it works fine. Let me clear the screen. Okay, let me run it. No, yeah, in the big 7 I am. Oh, it says been run. Let me call this function only. What it should return? It should 13 and 4. So let hope it work. There is a problem. I hope. Okay, what I mean, it should go from J. It should be start from J, and here if I have put it index I, it should be J and J plus n minus 1. I think now it's why it should work fine. Yeah, it is working. Index is 4 and answer is 13. I have mistakenly control C. So let me paste here and let me run the code. It should print 13 for output argument index and maybe other are not assigned during sum. Sum is 13 and 4. Sum is 13 and 4. Let me quickly index should be I. Let me run here. Yeah, it is working fine. Let me submit this. And now it's working. I have passed all the. Let me copy. Let me paste it here as well. Let me save it. Since it has been passed all the test cases, so let me push this code in my GitHub repo quickly. Max sum. I've pushed my code in the GitHub repo. You can check it out from here as well. Let me check here. Week 7, yeah, maximum sum. It is here. Yeah, you can see it's 17 seconds ago. You can take the code from here and do the solve the assignment. If you miss something, this code and operator or anything. If you have any doubt in this, then you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to I'll try to solve your problem as much as I can. So that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. So thank you so much for watching this. Yeah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna